Welcome back to my channel. So today I have another headband wig for you guys. So I got my hands on one from MyFirstWig. I've had a wig from them in a really long time, and I really like this box that they got. So I got a curly unit this time, and I wanted to show you guys what I meant in my last video, like how I said that I will put the unit on just to give it an anchor, because I just did like a slick back ponytail last time and it wasn't as secure as I needed it to be. But I ended up putting on, I'm rambling, I know, but I ended up putting on the headband, the wig grip. Don't have it out right now, but I'll show you guys. I ended up putting that on and it did work. It did help keep the wig secure without me having to have like an anchor or braids like I said in my last video. But yeah, I want to show you guys what I mean and how I would do it, and show you guys a few little cute styles that I think will look really cute with a curly unit like this. So haven't even opened it up yet, and they gave me some headbands. This one is really cute actually. It has stones on it. Super cute. And I like that it's not as big and chunky, like it's a little more lightweight. So I got it in 22 inches, and this is HBW003-G. That's the name of it. I forgot the name of it. I think it started with a D, but I'll have it down below for you guys. So this is the unit right here, you guys. Like I said before, it's like behind the lace of a wig, like the part behind the lace. That's basically what this is. It has the clip here, a clip on each side, one in the back. It's so black I can't see. One in the back right here, and it does have adjustable straps on the side, and then it has the Velcro on this little stretchy headband part right here. So I did mention in my last video that I wish that these were even or something like that, like maybe the same size, because if this one is set up like the last one, it was flapping in the back and I had to tuck it. So yeah, in my last video I said that I will probably like part out the front of my hair, like just enough. You don't need a lot at all. This is honestly probably too much. So you just want to pull out enough hair in the front just to have like some edges going back. You don't honestly need this much, but I want to try something with this wig, so I need a little bit more in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and get this out of the way. And then for the back, because this is a curly wig, you can typically get away with like your braids don't have to be super duper neat because it's big hair, if that makes sense. Like if it was a flat wig, you would want to get this kind of flat, but because it's a curly wig, you can get away with your braids being real lumpy under here, you know? Like these units are perfect for protective styling. So I'm just adding a little bit of my Lovely Bees Leave It Be leave-in to my hair, just because if we're going to use this as a protective style, you know, we want our real hair to be nice and moisturized. Okay, so once you have this part sectioned out, what you would do is you would braid this part of your hair going back if you know how to braid. But if you don't know how to cornrow, then I would suggest you doing what I'm about to do. So the main concern would be this one right here, the clamp in the middle. So first thing I want to do is take out this section, just a little section right here. It doesn't have to even be like neat or anything. And I'm going to pull this hair back. And then you just want to braid it, like just a regular individual braid. So once you have your braid like this, you can do either flat twists like this with the rest of your hair. I'm going to go ahead and just do a few twists in the back, like not too big or not too small. I guess I'll do this one a braid too. Play and sleep and play. Sway the day away. Just like yesterday. Sway the day away. Play Okay, y'all, so now I got my twist and I got a few braids. So the ones in the front I braided just so they wouldn't unravel, and then the ones in the back I just went ahead and just did like some nice little chunky twists, or chunky for my hair texture. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pin these back just like nice and flat and smashed. And then for the front, I'm thinking something like just braid it, start braiding right here, like slick your edges back and start braiding right here and just have it pulled back. But I took out kind of a lot because I want to do like 2 little antennas in the front, so I'm going to go ahead and pull those out because my curls are tighter than the curls on this unit. I'm going to use some Lotta Body mousse, and then I'm going to use these flexi rods on just those parts right there. So I'm going to pin this out of the way before I figure out what I'm about to do with it. So I got this all slick back, and now I can go ahead and put the wig on. So I'm actually going to use a black wig cap. Make sure we nice and flat. This is the part I'm talking about, y'all. So I'm just hooking the hooks in, and that feels secure already. Like, it's literally just hook it into my little braids. Yeah, that's in there. So I would actually suggest hooking the combs into the actual braided part of the hair and not the root, just to keep it from pulling on your roots and to keep it from doing that tugging feeling. Yeah, I can comb through it like this and it doesn't feel like it's going to snatch off. Last time when I was doing that, it felt like it kept sliding back, and this is not moving. Okay, so I got the hair pretty dry. It's still a little damp, but I wanted it to be like kind of big. And I'm going to put this gray headband on. And then I'm going to fix these because they're still too curly. So I'm going to have to resort to heat. And now let's straighten this. Hopefully this don't kill these little curls in the front. But my hair is pretty healthy. Okay, so now I'm just gonna fix my edges up now, like, I can actually do my baby hair, because before I was just like slicking back. Now that I'm thinking about it, you might be able to pull some hair from up here and hang it down in the front. But it depends on, I guess, how far you wear your headband back, because if not, it's gonna be like, where's that hair coming from? That's cute, y'all. I'm putting my earrings in. My wig feels really secure, like it does not feel like it's going anywhere, okay? So now I want to see what it looks like with this clip. I didn't realize it was this long. So something like that is really cute. So I got this cute little butterfly. Just simple, just pull the front back a bit in case you don't want it like falling forward. Now just a cute little high ponytail, y'all. I'm really feeling this curly one. Like, you can do so much stuff with the curly one. Like, look at this ponytail. The bun is really cute, y'all. Y'all, even like a middle ponytail, like a middle whatever ponytail, I just let the bun like fall and brought it down a bit. Looks really good. I got makeup all on the side right here. So I'm actually going to rock this down today, even though the other styles are really, really cute, especially that bun. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and rock it down today, and I'm about to go run some errands. So I might vlog today, so we'll see how this holds up, and if the little anchor braid works, if it starts sliding or anything like that, and I'll let you guys know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.